Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this session, we'll be discussing the questions of exercise 23B. So, I hope you all are clear with the perimeter part of this. So, now let's move on to the area. So the area's first question says that you have to find the area of a rectangle whose length is given to you as 25 centimeter and breadth is given to you as 16 centimeter, and they are telling you to find the area. So this is very simple. What you have to do? You have to do area is nothing but length multiplied by breadth. So when you do that, you get 25 centimeter multiplied by 16 centimeter, and this after multiplying you get this as 400 centimeter square. So remember that area unit is in terms of centimeter. Since there are 2 centimeters, so it is centimeter square. So this is the first question. Now let's go to the second question. So they are telling that let's draw a rectangle. Here also we have a rectangle, and they are saying that the diagonal of the rectangle is 1 meter. So the diagonal is given to me as 1 meter, and they are saying the length is 96 centimeter. So see the unit. This diagonal is in meter and length is in centimeter, and they are telling you to find the area. So first you need to convert it in the same unit. So can I write this 1 meter as 100 centimeter? Yes. So now can I use Pythagoras theorem? If I say this as ABC, you know that in Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So what is AB? Is the hypotenuse. तो ये है 100 square. Then that is equals to AC. AC का square plus BC. BC क्या है? Base. तो base square is 96 का square. So अब we have to find AC square. So what I can do for AC square? ये plus 96 square है, ये उधर जाएगा तो ये minus 96 square हो जाएगा. तो ये 100 square minus 96 square. Now you know that A square minus B square क्या होता है? It is plus B multiplied by A minus B. तो वापस multiply करने से अच्छा है, we will break this. So I can write that this is 100 plus 96 and this is minus 96. So 100 plus 96 is 196 multiplied by 4. So now when I do 196 multiplied by 4, I get my answer as 784. So this is my AC square. Now I have to find, what I have to find? I have to find AC. So for AC what I need to do? I need to do under root of 784. So let's do the under root of AC, that is under root of 784. So what I can say, what is the under root of 784? I think that is 28. So this is 28 centimeters. So I have got my breadth. So once I have got the breadth, can I find the area? Yes, it is very simple. Area is 96 multiplied by 28. So 96 multiplied by 28 gives me 2688 centimeter square. So this was the second question. Now let's move on to the third question. So the third question says that the sides of a rectangular park are in the ratio. Again the same ratio question. So they are telling that the sides of the park, they have given the ratio as 4:3. So this is the ratio of L is to B. And they are telling that area is given to you as 1728 meter square. You have to find its perimeter. So if the ratio is given, can I write that length is 4x? Can I write breadth is 3x? Because I don't know the sides. And now what I have to do? I have to find the perimeter. So perimeter I know it is 2 times L plus B. So perimeter is given to me. See, area is given to me first. So first let's write area. Area is equals to length multiplied by breadth. And area is 1728. That is equals to length is 4x multiplied by breadth is 3x. So what is 4x multiplied by 3x? It is 12x square. So what I have to do? I have to find x square from here. So when I do, so what will be x square? It will be 1728 divided by 12. So that will be my x square. So when I cancel this, I get my value of x square as 144. So what is going to be my x? X will be under root of 144. And you know what is the under root of 144? That is 12 meter. So now I can write what is my length? It is 4 multiplied by 12. So that is giving me 84 meter. Oh, sorry, that is 48 meter. And this is 3 multiplied by 12. That is giving me 36 meter. So now I have found out my length and breadth. Now can I find my perimeter? Yes, it is 2 times L plus B. And we know the length and breadth values are already given to me. So this I can write 48 plus 36. So 48 plus 36 gives me 84. So 84 multiplied by 2 gives me 168 meters square. So I have found out my perimeter. Now they are telling you to find the cost. So cost of fencing this at the rate of rupees 40 per meter. So they have given that cost of 1 meter is rupees 40. So now you can you guess whether I have to find it in terms of perimeter? Okay, sorry, this is not square. So whether you have to find in terms of perimeter or you will find in terms of area. Because see, area is in meter square and perimeter is in meter. And they are telling 1 meter cost. So I have to use the perimeter here. So what will be 168 meter cost? It will be 168 multiplied by 40. So 168 meter cost will be 168 multiplied by 40 and that is giving me rupees 6720. So this is the cost of the complete square ground perimeter. So now let's move on to the fourth question. So the fourth question says that a floor is 40 centimeter long and 40 and 15 meter broad. So they have given that the floor is 40 meter long and they have given that this is 15 meter broad. And they are telling that it is covered with tiles and each tile is measuring 60 centimeter by, okay. So each tile, what is the length of each tile and breadth of each tile? Let's see. So it is given 60 centimeter by 50 centimeter. So I can say this is my length and this is my breadth. Now you have to find how many tiles will be required to cover this. So this is a rectangular floor. So now I am covering with this with tiles like this, like this, like this. I covered it with tiles. And they have given you the area of each tile. So you have to find the number of tiles. So what is the number of tiles going to be? Yes, it is the area of that rectangular park or rectangular floor divided by the area of one tile. That is giving me the number of tiles. Because they have given me the floor and they have given me the each tile का लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. तो इसीलिए अगर हमको नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स फाइंड करना है तो वी हैव टू डू एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल. तो एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर क्या है? 40 मीटर इंटू 15 मीटर. बट दिस इज इन मीटर, दिस इज इन सेंटीमीटर. सो यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस. सो 40 मीटर में सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो इंटू 100 इंटू 15 मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो ये भी इंटू 100. देन डिवाइडेड बाय वन टाइल. सो दैट इज 60 इंटू 50. तो अगर इसका 1010 कैंसिल करते हैं, 1010 कैंसिल कर देते हैं. 5 1 जा 5 3 जा 3 1 जा 3 2 जा 2 1 जा 2 20. सो कितना टाइल्स मुझे मिल रहा है? आई एम गेटिंग दैट दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 200 टाइल्स. तो 200 टाइल्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू कवर दिस फ्लोर. So ये था मेरा fourth question. Now let's move on to the fifth question. So fifth question says that the length and breadth of a rectangular, again they have given me in the ratio. So L is to B ratio is given to me as 5 is to 3 and they are saying that the total cost of fencing, टोटल कॉस्ट दे दिया है 1 मीटर का कॉस्ट ₹24 है और मेरे को ये टोटल कॉस्ट दे दिया है, मतलब ये नहीं दिया कि कितना पेरीमीटर मेरे को मतलब कितना फेंस करना है, टोटल कॉस्ट दे हैव गिवन मी दैट इट इज 9600. So you have to find what is going to be the length and breadth. So first, if they have given me the total rupees or single rupees, then can I find the perimeter? So what's going to be the perimeter? Yes, it will be the total cost divided by cost per meter. So total cost is 9600 and per cost is 24. So when I divide them, I will get the perimeter and my perimeter is 400 meter. तो याद रखना जब दो कॉस्ट दिया रहेगा तो पेरीमीटर निकालने के लिए वी हैव टू डू टोटल कॉस्ट डिवाइडेड बाय कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर. तो ये हो गया पेरीमीटर. So once I have got the perimeter, length is given to me as 5x. Breadth is 3x because they have given me the ratio. So now can I write what is going to be the perimeter? It will be 2 times L plus B. Where I know the perimeter निकाल लिया हम लोगों ने, that is 400 meter. 2 times L that is 5x plus B that is 3x. So when I do this, I get 400 is equals to 16x. So when I do this, I get that 400 by 16 is giving me 25. So I have got the value of x as 25 meter. So can I find length? Yes, length is going to be 5 multiplied by 25 because x value is 25. So I'll get the length as 125 meter. And what is going to be my breadth? Breadth is going to be 3 multiplied by 25 because it is 3x. So I have got my breadth as 75 meter. So I have found the first part of the question, that was length and breadth. Now the second part of the question, they are telling me to find the area. So how I can find the area? Area is very simple. Area is nothing but length multiplied by breadth. And length I have got it as 125 and breadth we found that as 75. So I can do 125 multiplied by 75 and that will give me the area. So when I do 125 multiplied by 75, we get this as 9375 meter square. So now I have found out the area. Now can I find the cost of leveling at the rate of 60 per meter square? So 1 meter cost is given to me as rupees 60. So what is the cost of 9375 meter square? That is going to be 9375 multiplied by 60. So when I do 9375 multiplied by 60, I get that this is rupees 562500. So this is the cost. So this was my fifth question. Now let's go to the sixth question. So sixth question says that you have to find the area of a square whose perimeter is given to you as 56 centimeter. So if the perimeter is what? 4 into side. So how can I find the side? Side is going to be perimeter divided by 4. So perimeter is 56 divided by 4. So I get that side is 14 centimeter. So I have got the side. Now can I find area? Yes, area is side multiplied by side. So that is 14 centimeter multiplied by 14 centimeter. So that is giving me 196 centimeter square. So this was very simple. So this was the sixth question. Now let's move on to the seventh question. So seventh question says, the seventh question is little tricky. So seventh question says that a square lawn is surrounded by a path of 2.5 meter. So suppose this is a square lawn and there is a path of 2.5 meter wide and they are telling that, so this again there is a path like this and then there is a square like this and this is the thing which is 2.5 meter is given to me. Now they are telling you to area of the path is given as 165 meter square. So they have given you the area of the path is 165 meter square. So you what you have to find? You have to find the lawn ka area. So you have to find area of लॉन। तो ये हमारा जो पाथ है और ये लॉन क्या हो गया, ये मेरा लॉन हो गया आउटसाइड वाला। तो अब मुझे क्या करना है, तो जो स्क्वायर लॉन बना है उसका हमको निकालना है साइड। तो कैसे हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग साइड ऑफ लॉन? सो व्हाट आई कैन डू, I can do that. It is going to be x plus, because I don't know this. So what I'll do, side of lawn, ये इसका साइड जो होगा प्लस इधर से जितना होगा, इधर से जितना होगा वो हो जाएगा मेरा बड़ा वाला स्क्वायर और बड़ा वाला लॉन का साइड। तो आई डोंट नो x, बट मेरे को बस पता है दोनों तरफ से मेरा जो डिस्टेंस है पाथ का वो है 2.5 प्लस 2.5। तो आई कैन राइट दैट दिस इज 2 प्लस 5 मीटर। समझ में आया? क्योंकि स्मॉल स्क्वायर का एरिया में स्मॉल स्क्वायर का साइड नहीं पता है तो उसको हम लोगों ने x ले लिया, और ये जो वाइड जो पाथ है वो है 2.5 मीटर दोनों तरफ से। तो दोनों तरफ से भी ऐड कर देंगे तो हमको लॉन का साइड मिल जाएगा। तो अब ये पाथ का एरिया क्या होगा, जो छोटा सा जो पाथ बनाया है हम लोगों ने उसका एरिया क्या होगा, इट विल बी एरिया ऑफ आउटसाइड स्क्वायर। जो बड़ा वाला स्क्वायर मतलब ये वाला जो पार्ट है इसका एरिया क्या होगा, इसका क्या होगा, एरिया ऑफ आउटसाइड स्क्वायर माइनस होगा एरिया ऑफ इनसाइड स्क्वायर। यस, सिंपल। तो अब आउटसाइड स्क्वायर का साइड क्या हम लोगों ने निकाला, x प्लस 5। सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी x प्लस 5 का स्क्वायर। एंड इनसाइड स्क्वायर का साइड क्या निकाला था, वी टुक दैट एज x, so that is going to be x का square। so now you know a plus b square क्या होता है, a square plus b square plus 2ab, so that is 10x minus x square। so और ये एरिया ऑफ पाथ मुझे दिया हुआ है, वो क्या दिया हुआ है 165। तो 165 तो x स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया। अब हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, 10x है इसको उधर सेंड कर देंगे तो ये 145 हो गया, ये जब उधर जाएगा तो ये 140 हो जाएगा। और फिर हम लोगों ने x निकाल लिया दैट इज 14 मीटर। तो जब एक बार x निकाल चुके हैं हम लोग ने, तो अब हम लोग क्या निकाल सकते हैं, हम लोग साइड पता चल गया। तो जो बड़ा वाला स्क्वायर का साइड हम लोगों ने निकाल लिया दैट इज 14 मीटर। तो जब बड़ा वाला का साइड निकाल लिया तो उसका एरिया भी निकाल सकते हैं। तो एरिया क्या होगा, 14 मीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 14 मीटर, तो ये हो गया 196 मीटर स्क्वायर। तो उसका ट्विस्ट वहीं पर था, दैट यू हैव टू टेक हाउ टू टेक द साइड। तो ये था 7th क्वेश्चन। नाउ